What up? Castles and beer!
Good morning.
Good morning.
From Dublin.
Yeah.
Is it day number 2?
Day number 2.
Day number 2.
What up, viewers?
What up there, camera?
Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah.
For Jives and Holly. Bumbling tourist.
And this is more bumbling around Dublin.
Yeah. Check it out.
Sorry.
It's fine. The most important coffee of the day.
Every coffee is the most important coffee of the day.
Exactly.
Sick bun, bro. Like a mine.
This is the courtyard outside the castle.
And then I'm gonna walk down here, and you can see the castle.
The inscription says, "I'm old and delicate. Please do not touch me." Me too, throne. Me too.
It's very busy. now it's just a giant black jacket.
What up, Full Sail IPA?
What up, Althea? It's just a pale ale? It's just a PA. Althea PA.
Cilantro.
What's your very favorite thing about travel?
My very favorite thing about travel, which is more of an Asian thing, is to sit on a plastic stool by the roadside and enjoy a beer. And here in Dublin, they don't have little plastic stools. And I don't know why that's so key, but it is key. But we've got these wood stools. And I gotta say that's doing the trick. So
Yeah.
just having a beer by the roadside.
It doesn't really matter what the stool's made of.
Yeah. I guess if we just moved to a busier street and got little stools, then we could be happy at home.
Yeah. I guess it's all about drinking beer with bad back support. And that's truly what makes it.
Yeah. By traffic for some reason.
Yeah, with the mixing of exhaust fumes and your beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And to that, I say
Yeah.
cheers. Cheers the camera.
What up, Oyster Porter?
What up, X. Porter, stout, porter.
How many X's was that?
4 X's. Clam chowder and Irish stew.
What up, 51st State IPA?
That sounds so American and not Irish. 51st State?
But it does say craft brew in Ireland.
Oh yeah, I mean that's how you know it's legit.
Cilantro.
Slashy party, yo.
So thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it. This would be our last day in Dublin, and we're moving onwards to Belfast in the next vlog.
Tomorrow morning we take a bus to Belfast. So more adventures coming from Belfast.
Thanks again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe.
And if you didn't like it, just punch your screen.
Yeah. You know the routine. You know what to do.
Okay.
Peace.